What's up guys, JayzTwoCents here, and it's time to do a giveaway. We had an awesome time in November when we were doing a ton of giveaways, the month of Jay's Giving. Then we did some giveaways in October. I think we had one in December, and we have not done one yet in the year 2022. That sounds weird to say the year 2022, whatever. We're gonna do a giveaway. Right now, we're gonna give away this ad.
We interrupt this video to bring you a special message from iFixit. No, we interrupt this interruption with this interruption about new stuff from iFixit. Wish you had a new graphics card, but inventory sucks? Fix the inventory problems with iFixit. Whoa, don't drop it. Can't fix that with iFixit. Just kidding, yes you can. Wish you could take iFixit with you anywhere, but your pockets aren't big enough? Introducing the new More
and the new Minnow.
Take them with you anywhere. So get iFixit for your loved ones, or just get them for yourself.
So on Twitter, I talked about a giveaway that I've been working on for a while, and we actually set this up a bit ago. We just got confirmation that we're ready to go forward with that. And I am giving away, basically what the title says, I am giving away a $5,000 US shopping spree at our local Micro Center. So how exactly does that work? Well, I have collaborated with Micro Center to be able to have $5,000 worth of funds for you guys to spend on anything you want. See, typically our giveaways in the past have been like, here's our graphics cards we're giving away, or here's 3 graphics cards with 3 different winners, or here's a predetermined list of parts that sponsors have sent in that we can give away to you guys. But this one's different. I want you to be able to choose how that adventure goes. You can do a single tower worth $5 grand with, an RTX 3090 Ti, or, with the way prices have gone, you could absolutely build a $5,000 system with a 3090 Ti and have money left over for things like keyboard, mouse, monitor, whatever it may be. Or you can choose to build multiple lesser expensive computers. Maybe you and a significant other have been wanting to get into computer gaming, but you can't afford 2 computers. Well, now you can do 2 $2,500 builds, which would be absolute monsters these days, and could still even accomplish 4K gaming for that price. One of the reasons why I waited to do this giveaway for so long is the fact that we knew prices were coming down, and I wanted the winner to be able to get more for their money. So had we done this a few months ago like we'd initially planned, you would absolutely not be able to get the value for that $5,000 US dollars that you can today. So the adventure is yours. Do you want to build a really expensive super tower? Do you want to water cool it? Do you want to have crazy storage? Do you want super high-end graphics? Do you want super high-end CPU? You want to go with a case that would normally be out of your price range, have money left over, and maybe do a keyboard and a mouse and a monitor? You could absolutely do an entire setup. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, tower, and and have money left over to still spend somewhere in the store. The winner is also going to receive a JayzTwoCents gaming mouse mat, which are available and back in stock. So if you don't want to take a chance to win one, you just want to go buy one, JayzTwoCents.com, you can go and get one right there. They are boxed and ready to ship and ready to go after months of waiting for remanufacturing. But shameless plug aside, the way this is going to work, we do have a link to Gleam down below. Basically, nothing is mandatory. Right? I mean, we ask that you be subscribed. I don't think that's too much to ask. And it's not even mandatory, but it's definitely an ask. We certainly ask that you be subscribed to the channel. We don't think that's too much to ask, so that you get notified and see when new videos come out. Especially if they're ones that make you mad and you want to yell at me, like recently. That's fine. Yell. I can take it. But there's multiple ways to enter. Follow on Twitter. If you're already following, it'll verify that you're following, and that'll be an entry. Check out our Instagram. Check out a tweet about the giveaway. So I'm gonna try something different with this one though. I've never done this before, and that is the fact that we're gonna be using secret codes. Every video, including this one, going forward between now until the expiration of the giveaway, we'll have a secret code. Similar to how, like, if you listen on the radio and they're like, this hour's secret code is blah, 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 when they're doing like sweepstakes and giveaways and stuff. We're doing the very same thing. We'll be baking them into our videos, and they're not gonna be stuck at the beginning or the end. We're gonna make it so you actually have to watch the video. Again, I don't think that's too much to ask. But each one of those entries, when you enter the secret code on the website, will be 5 extra entries. So 5 times however many videos that we put out between now and the sweepstakes ending, that's a lot of extra chances, and they significantly outweigh those regarding like social media and stuff. So if you don't have Twitter, you don't have Instagram or whatever, you miss out on that one entry, but you can get dozens of entries moving forward with the Jay's secret code. And we'll be giving you the first secret code right now. The first secret code to enter on the Gleam site, again, the link is down below, is JaySucks, for obvious reasons. I'm the most terrible person that's ever YouTubed, and this video proves it. Also, regarding the code, for those of you who think that you're just gonna be super big brain and just write the actual code down in the comments so that people don't actually have to watch for it, I will actually be banning those terms globally on the channel. so that it will automatically hide it so that you can't do it. I don't think it's too much to ask. I want you guys to watch the videos. Besides, it makes it kind of fun. It's a little scavenger hunt. And if that's too much to ask, well, then maybe you didn't deserve to win. Anyway, guys, this is also an international giveaway. I really wanted anyone, anywhere, except for void where prohibited. And yes, there are countries and provinces and areas out there where you are absolutely not allowed to enter online-only giveaways. I'm sorry, blame your government, not me. It's also up to you to know if you live in one of those areas. You are unfortunately not able to enter. But for those of you that are, I want anyone to be able to win this. And the problem with international giveaways with something this expensive is import fees and taxes and shipping. I will cover tax, I will cover shipping, I will cover import fees, personally. That will come directly out of my pocket. So that means you do not have to worry whatsoever about receiving this. You get the item clean and clear. We pay all the import fees and such. Government gets their money, everybody's happy. But the rules are the same as always. We will announce the winner within 1 day of the giveaway ending. We will announce it on social media. We will also email the winner. The winner will have 48 hours from the send time of that email to respond to us. If you do not, your winning entry is void and a new winner will be drawn. And even if you write me a super sob story about why you didn't answer on time and you get back to me after the fact, it doesn't matter, it's null and void. It's happened multiple times, and unfortunately that has to continue. But there is an entire list of things that you need to know and understand regarding the rules of this giveaway. No purchase necessary, of course. And an important one too is if you don't spend the whole $5,000, the difference is forfeited. You do not get a check for the difference of not spending the $5,000. And no, you cannot just take the $5,000 and go. This is a component giveaway to build your dream setup. So hopefully this makes as many people able to enter and as fair as possible, especially since we're gonna be probably paying thousands in tax and shipping on this. You also have the option for me to build it. If you don't want me to build it, then I will send you the parts individually if you want to build it. But there is an option to have us build it and make a video about it, but we will be making a video about going and collecting all of your parts. So when the winner is notified and you get back to us, I will basically collaborate and consult with you on the parts that you want. We'll make sure that everything is in stock, and we will go out and pick it up for you. So I'll work with you directly through communication on making sure all your parts are compatible, in stock, available, and that you don't go over and you get the most for your money and get as close to that $5,000 budget as possible. Anyway, I hope this makes you guys excited. It makes me excited to do it. It's a huge giveaway. We've never done anything like this before, and we want to see how it goes. If it goes well, maybe we'll do it again. Anyway, all the information, all the links, and everything you need to know is down in the description. Make sure you click it, make sure you follow it, and go ahead and enter JayzTwoCents for the very first code for 5 bonus entries. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck.